Hello, and welcome to PulseTech's training video on lead-acid battery recovery charging, testing, and maintenance. At PulseTech Products, our mission is to produce innovative, safe, simple-to-use battery-enhancing products which always outperform the competition and improve our customers' productivity, competitiveness, and quality of life. PulseTech offers a full range of lead-acid battery recovery chargers, maintainers, solar products, and testers. PulseTech Products Corporation is at the forefront of researching, developing, and delivering next-generation battery recovery, testing, maintenance, and charging systems. At the heart of our brand is our patented Pulse technology and our battery management program. What makes our products better than our competitors? Our patented Pulse technology. This unique and patented technology prevents and removes sulfate crystals from the battery plates and is built into all of our chargers and maintainers. What is sulfation? Sulfation is the creation of lead sulfates. It is a natural and necessary part of a battery's life and occurs whenever the battery is in a state of discharge, i.e., whenever the battery is not charging. Over time, as the battery discharges, the electrolyte solution inside the battery turns into water, and the lead plates become covered with lead sulfate crystals. This reaction is known as sulfation. Lead-acid batteries are in a constant process of charge or discharge. If the battery is not being charged or maintained, then it is discharging. In order to store energy within the battery, there are continuous chemical reactions occurring. This means that unused batteries also exhibit a slow discharge, even newly manufactured ones. When a battery discharges while powering a device, electricity is produced through a chemical reaction that results in lead dioxide, PbO2, from the positive plate and lead, Pb, from the negative plate reacting with the sulfuric acid of the electrolyte to create lead sulfates, PbSO4. These sulfates build up until battery efficiency is reduced, dramatically shortening battery life until the battery finally dies. There is actually enough reactive material still in the battery to keep it working for many years, but the sulfation buildup prevents the process. It's estimated that sulfates are the cause of 80% of battery failure worldwide. Pulse technology is the cure for battery sulfation. PulseTech's patented Pulse technology has been proven to remove naturally occurring lead sulfates from the battery plates and return them to the electrolyte solution. Used consistently, Pulse technology will prevent the larger crystals from forming, allowing more room in the battery to store energy, which in turn allows the battery to accept, store, and release more energy. Pulse technology is delivered to the battery by a high-frequency pulse waveform through a circuit which is independent of the charging circuit. This allows PulseTech's chargers and maintainers to deliver a powerful 1-2 punch, delivering both a charge and our sulfate-fighting pulse technology. By removing sulfates, our chargers allow more room within the battery for the energy exchange. Other chargers on the market charge the battery, but don't tackle the sulfate problem. This allows sulfate crystals to build up, restricting the amount of room within the battery to store energy. Pulse technology is delivered to the battery through a high-frequency pulse waveform. This patented waveform is of a specific amplitude and frequency that is precisely controlled by microprocessors. It rises rapidly in less than 1 microsecond to its maximum amplitude and gradually returns to zero. There is no abrupt stop and no battery drain. This waveform occurs 25,000 times a second and has been proven to remove sulfation from the battery plates and return the lead sulfate back to the electrolyte solution. Pulse technology has been scientifically validated through extensive, independent test studies conducted at both Oakland University, Ohio State University, and the United States Air Force Management Equipment and Evaluation Program. The United States Air Force Management Equipment and Evaluation Program shared their findings. This evaluation indicates that many batteries previously condemned could be reclaimed if pulse technology were used extensively. It goes on to say, Pulse technology worked by removing sulfation from the battery plates as the manufacturer claimed. It is unknown exactly how long a battery will last with Pulse technology connected, but it is estimated at least 8 to 10 years of life can be added. A separate independent study was also performed comparing Pulse technology to conventional charging. The photos are of actual battery plates after varying numbers of charge and discharge cycles. They clearly reveal the benefits of charging and pulsing with Pulse technology versus charging alone. The top row shows plates from actual batteries charged and pulsed with PulseTech's patented Pulse technology. The second row shows plates from batteries charged with the competitor's conventional charger. Note the development of lead sulfate on the conventionally charged plates over time, whereas the Pulse technology plates show no sulfate buildup. Competing companies understand that lead sulfate crystals drastically reduce the life and power of batteries. They claim to be able to remove sulfates, but really just throw a high charge at the battery to try and shake sulfates loose. Pulse Technology's patented conditioning process is a truly unique, patented, and technologically advanced waveform that is engineered to remove sulfates. Pulse Technology is the most effective method to remove battery sulfation and enhance battery performance. Do not accept imitations. You will experience multiple benefits from using products with Pulse technology. Your battery will experience an extended life, up to 3 times its regular life cycle. Your battery's efficiency and power will increase. You will save money on buying new batteries and unnecessary hazardous waste fees. You will no longer experience unexpected maintenance needs on batteries, as they will provide more power for a longer period of time. You won't have to worry about unreliable batteries. Other equipment, such as alternators, won't need to work as hard and will also experience an extended life. Protect the environment and support many corporate green policies by reducing the number of batteries recycled. All batteries discharge when not in use. This is also known as self-discharge. The rate of self-discharge increases as the temperature goes up. For every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature, the self-discharge rate doubles. It's important to understand the common causes of battery failure so you can understand the problem and prevent ongoing problems. Deficit charging exists when the equipment cannot fully charge the battery during normal operation. This results in a decline in capacity, shorter runtime of electronics, and reduced battery life. Typical causes include the engine alternator voltage or amperage being too low and high accessory loads. Solutions include installing a higher amperage alternator, shutting off accessories when possible or leaving the engine running, periodically using an external charger to fully charge the batteries, or simply installing a solar pulse solar battery charger to offset high parasitic loads. Connecting different types of batteries together in the vehicle will lead to a shorter battery pack life and possible overcharge or undercharge problems with individual batteries. Premature failure will happen. However, the solution is simple. Only connect together batteries of an identical make and model. Leaving batteries in a discharged condition, even partially discharged, allows sulfation crystals to build up on the battery plates. This results in reduced battery capacity and leads to premature battery failure. Solutions include checking batteries before storing a vehicle and recharging batteries if necessary. If the vehicle isn't used on a regular basis, then periodically check the open circuit voltage and charge when necessary. The easiest and most effective solution is to install a solar pulse solar charger on vehicles stored outside. It's important to start with fresh or recovered fully charged batteries so you're not setting yourself up for future battery problems. PulseTech has a line of recovery chargers that recover, charge, maintain, and desulfate 12, 6, or 2 batteries simultaneously, depending on the charger. All of these chargers recover batteries previously thought beyond repair. Each station operates in isolation of one another to allow recovery of multiple types and sizes of lead-acid batteries. They all contain our patented Pulse technology that removes and prevents damaging sulfate buildup, work with all lead-acid batteries, apply a simple plug-and-play technology, and have high amperage charging for faster charging and for larger battery types. The SC12 12-station recovery charger comes in a rugged HPX plastic cabinet with wheels for maximum portability so you can charge batteries wherever you want. The Pro 12 RP maintainer keeps up to 12 batteries in peak factory fresh condition while they're waiting to be installed. This maintainer reduces shelf life warranty issues and other battery related expenses, prevents the normal loss of power no matter how long the batteries sit unused, maintains up to 12 batteries of any type or size simultaneously, and has color coded LEDs that indicate each battery's state of charge. The Pro 12 RP maintainer is easy to use and understand with its plug-and-play technology. PulseTech's Solar Pulse solar chargers make it easier to maintain batteries in peak condition while they are being used in vehicles stored outside. Our solar pulse panels charge, maintain, and desulfate batteries. They use our patented pulse technology to maximize the power and performance of the batteries, extending battery life by up to 3 times. In addition to extending battery life, you'll never have to worry about weak batteries or the need for jump starts again. These solar panels use highly efficient monocrystalline photovoltaic cells that maximize the solar to energy conversion in the smallest possible space. They are weatherproof and virtually indestructible. The Power Pulse is a performance-enhancing device that ensures maximum battery performance in frequently used vehicles. It's available in 12, 24, 36, and 48-volt models and works with single batteries, batteries in parallel, or batteries in series. It connects directly to the battery, working 24 hours a day without an electrical outlet to improve battery performance. The Power Pulse utilizes PulseTech's patented pulse technology to reduce existing sulfate deposits and keep them from building up again, allowing any 12-volt lead-acid battery to perform in peak condition and extends battery life by up to 3 times. The 777P-PT safely tests both 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid batteries, as well as 12-volt and 24-volt charging systems. Tests include cranking voltage, idle output voltage, diode ripple test, and output under load. It displays both voltage and cranking amp capacity. Test results can be printed for easy record keeping. The 390PT quickly, safely, and accurately tests 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid batteries, including VRLA, AGM, flooded cell, and gel, in or out of the vehicle, as well as 12-volt and 24-volt charging systems. Combined single-load dynamic resistance technology and algorithms display battery voltage and cranking amps in seconds. PulseTech's Battery Management Program, BMP, gives companies the tools to achieve an immediate reduction in lead-acid battery consumption while improving battery performance. A successful BMP addresses all the components of a battery's life while in the maintenance bay and while installed on vehicles. It includes a comprehensive diagnostic plan, preventative maintenance, and a corrective service program. PulseTech's BMP is a 3-step process. Step 1, test and recover batteries. Step 2, test and maintain batteries prior to installation. Step 3, test and maintain batteries while installed. A successful BMP increases battery voltage and capacity, improves battery CCAs, extends battery life by 3 times, removes sulfates from the battery plates, drastically reduces the lead-acid battery budget, eliminates jump starts, reduces warranty issues, and helps protect our environment. A battery management program is easy to implement. Simply set up the system where you store batteries in the maintenance bay. The BMP at Rush Trucks in Houston paid for itself in less than 3 months by dramatically reducing the number of new batteries purchased each month by 85%. After only 7 months, they recovered 270 lead-acid and Optima batteries, saving over $41,000 in new battery purchases. National Carrier replaced 12 Group 31 Odyssey batteries every 2 weeks at a cost of $275 per battery. They tried to trickle charge these batteries, but had no success. We placed the same 12 batteries on the SC12 12-station HD recovery charger for 72 hours and recovered 10 batteries at a cost savings of $2,750. This translates to a $66,000 annual savings in battery purchases. Waste Management installed Power Pulse maintenance systems in multiple trucks and measured CCAs at the beginning of the test and a year later. As can be seen in this chart, CCAs increased in over 70% of the trucks. Compare this to what happens to CCAs over the same period when a Power Pulse maintenance system wasn't used. 75% of these batteries showed decline in CCAs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate your interest in PulseTech products. If you have any questions, please contact us directly.